In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Calendar permanently. If you've got a calendar you no longer need, maybe an old project calendar or a test calendar, this walkthrough will show you how to remove it completely, along with all its events, in just a few clicks. Start by opening Google Calendar in a desktop browser and signing into the correct account. On the left side of the screen, look for the list of calendars under My Calendars or Other Calendars. Find the specific calendar you want to remove. Take a moment to double check its name and color so you don't accidentally target the wrong one, especially if you manage several calendars with similar titles. Hover over that calendar's name to reveal the three-dot icon, often labeled as Options. Click that icon to open a small menu. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings page for the calendar you selected, not your overall account settings. At the top, verify you're editing the right calendar by confirming its name and details. Scroll down the settings page until you reach the section labeled Remove Calendar. This is where Google groups the options related to removing access or deleting the calendar. Click Delete to proceed. Before you continue, remember that removing a calendar deletes all of its events for everyone who has access to it. If others rely on this calendar, consider notifying them first. Also, if you only subscribe to someone else's calendar, you'll typically see an option to unsubscribe rather than delete, since you're not the owner. When you're ready to finalize it, click Permanently Delete. Google will ask you to confirm, because this action cannot be undone. Once you confirm, the calendar and its events are removed and won't appear for you or your collaborators anymore. If you think you might need the information later, it's a good idea to export the calendar before deleting it so you have a backup. After confirming, return to your main calendar view. The deleted calendar should no longer appear in the left sidebar. If it still shows up briefly, refresh the page to update the list. A quick note, you cannot delete your primary calendar, the one that comes with your account. If you were trying to remove that, the delete option won't appear. In that case, consider clearing events or creating a new secondary calendar to organize your schedule. That's it. You've permanently deleted a Google Calendar safely and correctly. If this was helpful, keep organizing your workspace and enjoy a cleaner, more focused calendar view.